This inflatable spa chemical kit from MAV AquaDoc gives inflatable hot tub owners a complete, well-thought-out set of essentials for keeping water inviting and clear. The inclusion of bromine tablets along with a dedicated booster provides steady, dependable sanitation that is gentler on skin than many chlorine-based routines. Having separate products to raise or lower pH, plus a calcium hardness adjuster, makes it much easier to keep water balance within the ideal range and protect spa components. The chlorine-free shock and metal control work together to reduce cloudiness, staining, and off smells, which helps the water look and feel freshly treated between full drainings. Foam control, a floating dispenser, and easy-to-read test strips make ongoing care straightforward even for someone who has never maintained a hot tub before. Made by a specialist brand focused on spa care, this kit is tailored to the needs of soft-sided and inflatable tubs rather than being a generic pool chemical bundle.